Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Go Dynamic IT. Have you lost your important file and wish you could get them back? Your search ends here. Today we are going to test the EaseUS data recovery software. We'll perform two type of tests on the software. In the first test, we'll shift delete the data and try to recover it. That is what the common mistake people does, right? When you by mistake deleted some files on your from your hard drive. And the second test will format the disk and then we'll try to recover the data. Let's go back to our desktop here. Okay, so let's get our browser here. So this is our browser, and the browser we have to go and type is us data recovery, and you can see this first link, and we have to go to this is us data recovery software. And when you go back to the EaseUS data recovery software, it says we have to go to the home page. Actually, this is showing you this particular link, and it says that the first thing said is that say that is us data recovery software wizard. So let's go and download the free one. And it says notification, so free download. Let's download it free, and we will test it and see how it is, how this software is going to perform. And after the performance, then we'll try to buy the license, right? That is what the software is given. So now it's asking about the installation. Go ahead and try to install it. Okay, the installation should be pretty much very simple and straightforward. So and now it's asking about the install now. Okay, go ahead and install it. So it's going to download some software, and you can see they says that this software is since 2004. Wow, so almost 20 years back this software was developed. So download is completed. Now it's trying to install the software. It's installing it. So in the last video we have evaluated the Stellar software, data recovery software. If you want to look into that, you can go ahead and watch that video on my channel. Okay, as you can see here, the download is completed, installation is completed. Now it's time to open the software. So you can see this software link, click on the yes, and it will open the software. So you can see here, before that, let me show you. I have connected my pen drive to the system, and this is my pen drive. And you can see this is folder called important files, and inside this folder I have a couple of folders here. Like one is folder is in photos, and inside the photos you can see here, let me make it larger so that, so you can see here there are a couple of photos here, and then this is one of the video file. Okay, you can see here this is one of my video file, and then this is the Excel file, and this is the document. Now it says that there is the showing you the software and link, and it will show you this advanced data recovery from SD card, NAS, Linux, and crashed PC. That's okay. So my goal is to recover the data from the pen drive. It says that there is a one external drive, which is my pen drive here, and the other one system drive is the C drive. So he says where you what data and from where you want to recover it. So I'm not going to recover complete disk because it's going to take some time. So rather I would select the folder here and then click on the next. It's asking about where is your folder. So before that, what we will do is we'll go back to our E drive, and you can say this is the important file. And inside the important file we have this photos and videos. So what we will do is we'll go ahead and delete from here. So we are going to do the shift delete. So in shift delete, it's permanently delete from the system. So you can say that, are you are you sure you want to delete that? I said yes, go ahead and delete that, and make sure that we'll test the recycle bin, just to make sure that this is not in recycle bin nowhere in the system. So now this is completed. So okay, so we'll create once again, we'll select this folder once again, go back to this E drive important file and select on the OK, right? And when you click on the OK, it says that now it's started scanning the files. You can see here this is started scanning the files, and let's see how much time it's going to take. So now it's 1854, 1% it completed, and once it completed, we'll come back to you and let you know the time. Just note the time, 1854. Okay, so exactly after 10 minutes, it's recovered the 67 MB data. So and it recovered the 26 files. So in your case, if your data is more, it is going to take some time. So before we initiate this recovery, go ahead and take some break about your tea, coffee, sandwich, and then click on the Go Recover. And you can see that very precisely it recover all of our folders. You can see that I had photos, and then it was a one video. You can see here this preview of the video, and this was one of our Excel file. This was our one of this document file. When you go to the photos, and you can see here all these photos here. So now it's asking about now the task is to recover the file. So we can go back to important document, select everything, and then click on the recover. So it's asking about that where you want to recover it. So it's the option is local, or you can do on the cloud drive. You can add your cloud account and recover the data over there, but here says that click on the C drive and click on the save. So now it's recovering the drive, and it says that would you like to save the repaired file? No, just go with the original one. And you can see here the C recovered, and there is my important files here. You can see here all my photos, all my videos here, my documents. So everything got recovered. So excellent job, Aegis. Now time to format and disk and see how easy or how quickly this Aegis recovery can recover the data. So this is going to be our second scenario. So let's quit this application and go back to our drive here, and you can see here in the drive, let's click on the format disk. Right click and format, and click on the quick one. You can see here this quick format is selected, and click on the start. Okay, and this is going to be very quick here. Okay, done. So now the format is completed. We have to go back to our software again, is just data recovery. Let's go to the software, and this time what we will do is instead of the folder, we will select the drive itself. So you can see here this is our external drive, this is the E drive, and as of now nothing in my drive, no folder, nothing, just plain nothing is in drive. So what we will do is we'll select the E drive and then search for the data, and let's see how quickly it's going to recover our all our file and folders from the pen drive. So it's going for the scanning the drive. It's going to take some time. You can take your break for coffee or sandwich or whatever drink you want, and then come back. I'll let you know how much time it took for me to recover this data. Okay, so this full recovery after formatting took some time, almost double the amount of time, like almost 20 minutes of time. So when you go to, you can see after recovering, it says congratulations, scan completed. Go to recover, and when we go there, it says that in the drive, select that folder, and when you click here, it says that there is a MP4 file in this one, and you can see that exactly this is our file. And then when we click on let's click on the type here. We were in the path. Let's click on the type here, and when we select the video, it says that there is some video here, and the document, you can see the one is a doc and one is a XLS. And when we click on the pictures, you can see this. These are our pictures here. Perfect. So I think that does our job here. So this is our file and document. Then we go to the document. It says that important documents, and when you go to Excel, this is the customer data. So excellent job, EaseUS data recovery. So this does our job which we are expecting. So this is what two scenarios we lost the data, whether we accidentally delete the data using the shift delete, or we format the data for some reason. Now let's click on let's go here and select the files which we want to recover. So we want to recover this JPG, we want to recover the videos, and we want to recover the documents. Now click on the recover. It says that where you want to recover it. I want to recover in the C drive, and click on the save. So it says that you want to repair it, and they say no, just don't repair it, just go ahead and go with the original. So now you can see this E drive, and this is our Excel. So let's open the Excel, see whether we have some, I had some data on it, and see after recovering, we have a data over there or not. So, okay, yeah, this was our data. And when we go back to this Word file, let's see if we have some data over there. And yes, we have some data over on the document file as well. Let's go to the photos, and we have all the photos are as it is. So I think EaseUS Recovery has done a great job to recover the data. I think in the demo free version, you can recover the data. So let's go back to our let's go back to the data recovery EaseUS data recovery website, and I can see here They say that this is the free version, and free version we can recover up to 2 GB of the data, and it will support the Windows, and it support the 7, 8, 10, and 11. I mean, all the latest Windows versions are supported here. So as of now, we have used the free version, but they do have the pro version. You can, once you buy the license, you can get this pro version also. So the first month, if you go with the monthly, it will cost you $70, and then annually it's $99, and lifetime upgrade it's a $150. I think when you're into business or something, and when your data got deleted, it's better to go with buy the software rather than going with any professional services, and you are going to get the recover your data from there. They charge more, and they have a many more software. So that's not a part of our discussion today. So you can see here they recover the data from the different loss situation. You can, let's discuss on this part also. You can recover the deleted file, recovery from the recycle bin recovery, loss partition recovery, formatted file recovery, hard drive recovery, crash OS recovery. So these are like couple of situations where you can recover your data, and it can recover the data from your pen drive. This is what we have tested it, and from the memory card, from SSD or hard drive, PC or laptop, NAS, your network attached storage, and more devices it can recover. So I think this is about today's video. If you have any questions, query, or suggestion related to this video, please do let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching my video.